Rich here from our Maitri. I'm going to be making drums quick. So when you start Ableton, you're going to see something like this. We're going to be working in audio, so we're just going to delete this MIDI channel by hitting backspace or delete. And then we're going to go over to the search bar over here, and we're going to type in kick. Once we do that, we're going to go to all results, and we're just going to click on the samples to listen to them. Once you find one you like, click, hold, and drag it to the audio channel you want it at, and then let go, and you'll have your sample there. So let's do that with a snare sample. So we're going to go and type snare in the search bar, make sure we're on all results, listen to the samples, and once you find one you like, you can either click, hold, and drag into the blank area below, or you can add a new audio track by pressing Command or Control T, or you can create a track by going up here and inserting an audio track. So let's drag and drop the snare in there. Snares can go on the 0.2 or the 0.3. Let's see what sounds better. I personally like it on the 0.3. You can change the loop bar by clicking here and making it shorter, and making sure it's activated by clicking up here. Next, we're going to add a hi-hat. So we're going to go up to the search bar, type in hat, make sure we're on all results, and just look through the samples. Once you find one you like, click it, hold, and drag it into the blank space or your new audio channel. You can edit your audio clips by clicking and dragging, and then you can also duplicate them by hitting Command D or right clicking and hitting duplicate. You can do this in groups too. After that, you can make adjustments. After this, you're going to want to make some adjustments because we are redlining. If you look down here, when it turns red, that means our volumes are too loud. So one way to handle this is to turn the volumes down. You can do that by clicking over here and then scrolling down to adjust the volume. You can do this to all the channels. Adjust them till you have your preferred volumes on each one. Another way to make sure that you're not redlining is going to your master and adding a limiter. Just type in limiter into the search bar, and then click and drag the effect onto the channel you want it on. This will be controlling the volume, making sure it doesn't get too loud. After this, we can organize. Click on the channel, your kick channel, and then right click and hit rename. Type in kick, and then enter. You can also do this by clicking on your channel and pressing Command or Control R. Let's name this snare. Lastly, if you hit tab while still editing a name, it'll go down to the next channel, and you can rename that one. This one's our hats. Then you can select all of them by holding Command and clicking on the channels that you want, and then right-clicking and grouping the tracks. You can also do this by hitting Command or Control G. Then let's rename these to drums. You can then change the colors of the group and the channels in the group to your preference. You can even change the clip's colors. Join me on the next video where I'm going to be teaching you how to make these drums sound better using audio effects.